How can I get paid with Shopify Point of Sale? Do you have a Shopify store and are considering adopting Shopify POS? Or perhaps you currently use Shopify Point of Sale but want to learn how to take payments. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about getting paid with Shopify POS, how to get paid using Shopify Point of Sale. If you have a Shopify store, you can utilize Shopify POS to collect payments in person. There are other options, just like with online payments. In this video, we'll go through how to get paid using Shopify Point of Sale, utilizing Shopify payments, cash on delivery, or manual payments. All you need is a Shopify account to start accepting payments with Shopify Payments. With Shopify Payments, you can take credit and debit cards, as well as Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Shop Pay. In addition, there are no startup fees or hidden expenditures. You only pay when you make a sale. Click on the link below to get started with Shopify Payments. Cash on delivery is another method of payment. With COD, your customers may pay for their orders in cash when they get them. This is an excellent choice if you're selling high-ticket products or delivering overseas. Check out the Shopify support documentation to understand how to set up COD payments. The final way we'll go through is manual payments. Manual payments can be made using methods such as bank transfer or check. This is an excellent alternative if you sell items or services that aren't commonly paid for using credit or debit cards, such as consulting services or bespoke orders. Check out the Shopify POS support documentation to discover how manual payments operate. That's it. If you need assistance setting up Shopify Pay for the Shopify Point of Sale, please contact our team by clicking on the link below.